What's up, guys? Dirty Diesel here. I guess I'll show you what I'm doing here. I smoke about a pack of cigarettes every 3 days. I know. The easiest way to save on cigarettes is to not smoke at all, but this is $20. This is $2. The roller is $6. Okay, and so you don't buy a roller all the time. But the way I figure it is these are 200 cigarettes, and the lady at the store said this will roll 400. So this is 1 carton of cigarettes. So this will roll 2 cartons of cigarettes for $26. So I did the math. It's about 6 cents a cigarette. So I'm going to try and set this up to where you guys can see what I'm doing here. So what you do is you fill this, kind of mounding, not out of control, but kind of. Then you use the little packer here. You pack it in. Once you get it to something like that, you could pack them tighter or looser. Then there's always a little right here. I kind of clear it away with the cigarette. Then there's this little end on here. You just kind of twist it a couple times back and forth. Click it, push it forward. Sometimes it takes quite a bit of pressure, so if you don't have strong hands, or if you have really weak hands, you're not going to be able to do this. Comes up with a pretty nice cigarette. Sometimes the end is a little empty, but you can put as much in there as you want. And that's pretty much it. The way I look at it is you could save about $3,000 a year if you smoke a pack a day. I smoke about a pack every 3 days, so I'm going to save about 1,000. It takes you about 15 minutes to roll, I don't know, 18 or 20 of them. And just keep your tobacco in the fridge and pull out a tray. And I'm done today, so I'll just put this back in here. But pull out a tray so you're not always opening your bag and leaving it open while you're while you're rolling. And that'll keep it fresh. Keep this short and sweet. Save thousands of dollars a year on your cigarettes.